Today I'm going to show you how to do a spin pop zero round for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a spin pop zero round, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have completed level 1.4. If you have not, here's a playlist for that level. Welcome to level 1.5 where we get into the spin zero kicks. So when you start this move, you're gonna be starting in a backside stance, looking forward at your target. You're gonna step around with your front foot, followed by your other foot. Then jump with both legs at the same time to your front side pop and throw your round kick. And then finish the move landing back in a front side stance. Or you can follow through with your kick all the way back around to a backside stance. So let's go ahead and break this move down in progressions. First, you wanna have a spin pop around. Then you wanna have a spin pop around follow through. Basically, you're just doing your spin pop arounds, but you're just kicking while you're in the air. Let's check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support Upraiz Tricking just a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/upraiztricking. Just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into a spin cheat zero round, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.